what I remember was that we just took it that Jewish was the way you lived. I mean, because I was Jewish, that was it. And Yiddish was our language. And as you understand, it's not just a language, it's a way, you know, language is the way we communicate, but you don't communicate through language alone. You communicate in a variety of ways, and language is not such a perfect communicator anyway. So Yiddish was a world, and the world that I understood and lived in and didn't question up until I got much older, for other reasons, was the Jewish world. And that was sort of, you know, I've never equated Yiddish with God. I always understood from my point of view that Yiddish was not necessarily observance, that Yiddish was an appendage of it, but it was not essential to observance, because there were many Yiddish-speaking people who did not believe in God. I mean, Yiddish-speaking people were in the forefront and among all of the socialistic, communistic movements that were pro-women, which is not the Hebrew Testament, and so on and so on and so on. So Yiddish stands on its own and is a whole universe which includes observant Jews, but doesn't depend on observant Jews. It's not, some people think so, but I don't. I don't think so at all. Yiddish, you're not an observant Jew, and you're interested in Yiddish. Yiddish is something else.